Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to do some basic data visualization in R. And so as we've discussed in class, data visualization is important for ease of ingesting trends within data or the way that the data looks. So in this video I'm going to show you three different kinds of graphs that we can use to summarize data. We're going to do a bar graph, a histogram, and a box plot. So to start out with, we will do a bar graph. And a bar graph is going to be appropriate for variables which are factors or variables which have categories. And the bar graph is just going to tell us the frequency, is just going to show us the frequency of observations in each category. So we'll use the vote variable that we recoded earlier, and we will get a bar graph that shows that a little over 500 people did not vote in the last election, while well over 1,500 people did vote in the previous election. So that's simple enough. Note that the bar graph is only appropriate for categorical level variables, or factors in this case. Another graph that we can utilize is a histogram, and a histogram is going to be used for interval level variables, or variables with a continuous scale, and it's going to toss observations into bins based on their values, and it's going to try to show us how many different variables are in each bin, where a bin is a certain range of observations. So in this case, we will pick age, and we'll use percentages, though the axis scaling will not really change the way that the histogram looks, so you can really pick your own poison in that case. So we'll pick percentages in this case, and click OK. And so we can see the histogram at this point, and we can see that more than 10% of the people surveyed were somewhere close to 40 in the sample, while there were fewer and fewer as people got older, which is what we can expect with age. So finally, we can also make box plots. And box plots are pretty nifty for showing us the spread of data. So we can go to the box plot, and once again, this is for continuous interval level variables. So we will go to age, and we will click OK, and we should get a box plot showing us that the median is somewhere under 40, just under 40 as we expected, and that there are a couple of outliers above using the interquartile range trick, but mostly it shows us that the data is stretched. There are fewer people whenever they get older, and so this shows us that most of the people are concentrated in 30s and 40s in the younger age that are in the survey. So those are three kinds of graphs that we can use in R, and believe me, there are many, many, many more that you can use. So poke around and see what you can find.